स्पीक इंग्लिश लाइक नेवर बिफोर। जी हाँ दोस्तों, जैसा मैंने कहा था पहले भी कि इस बार आप इंग्लिश ऐसे सीखो जैसा आपने अपनी जिंदगी में कभी नहीं सीखा हो। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज सुभाष कार्तिक। आई एम अ डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन कोच। फॉर लास्ट 12 years I have been helping people to speak English fluently, correctly, and impressively. Friends, please stay tuned to this video till the end. I'm going to give you a secret. जी हाँ दोस्तों, मैं एक सीक्रेट देने वाला हूँ। इस वीडियो को पूरा देखिएगा जरूर। You know, friends, there are many people, they can somehow manage to speak English, but they are not fluent. There are many people, they speak English, but after they speak, they feel, अरे भाई मैंने इंग्लिश सही बोला ना? Have I made correct sentence? There are many people, they can speak very good English, but they cannot impress people. वो लोगों का दिल नहीं जीत पाते. When they stand in front of audience, they cannot convince them. When they sit in front of the interviewer, जब वो लोग जॉब के लिए अपने इंटरव्यूअर के सामने बैठते हैं, वो लोगों को कन्विंस नहीं कर पाते. There are many parents, ऐसे बहुत पेरेंट्स हैं जो जब वो अपने बच्चों के पेरेंट्स टीचर मीटिंग में जाते हैं, अपने टीचर्स के सामने बात करते हैं, उनके जबान में बात नहीं आती. They cannot able to speak English fluently, correctly. Are you one of them? क्या आप उनमें से एक हो? Do you really want to speak English fluently, correctly and impressively? सिर्फ बोलना नहीं है, लोगों का दिल जीतना है. Are you one of them? Guys, I'm going to tell you one story, which is a story of my life. I'm basically from Jharkhand, Jamshedpur. I did my schooling from non-English medium background. I was never good at, you know, speaking English. Whenever I used to speak in English, I was never fluent. I was never correct. I was never an impressive speaker. After that, I came to realize, and this is the secret, I'm giving you, please never forget. एवरी टाइम व्हेनेवर आई यूज्ड टू स्पीक, जब भी मैं लोगों से बात करने जाता था ना, तो लोग बोलते थे कि यू नो स्पीक करेक्टली, ठीक से बोलो सुभाष, ठीक से बोलो. एंड I used to feel very disappointed when somebody used to say you are making incorrect sentences. बहुत खराब लगता था जब लोग बोलते थे कि तुम incorrect sentence बना रहे हो. और उसके बाद आई स्टॉप प्रैक्टिसिंग. मैं फिर बोलता ही नहीं था. मैं बोलता था यार जाओ, हमको नहीं करना है इंग्लिश में बात. आई विल नेवर स्पीक इन इंग्लिश. आई एम गिविंग यू अ सीक्रेट ऑफ योर life. Never forget it. If you really want to speak in English fluently, you have to keep speaking English, be it a wrong, right, it really doesn't matter. आप अगर सच में इंग्लिश में बात करना चाहते हो, तो सबसे पहले अपनी फ्लुएंसी को ठीक करें. You try to improve your fluency. That is more important. इसीलिए जब भी whenever you speak in English, you speak. If somebody tells you that you are wrong, just reply that person that please don't tell me wrong because I am practicing for fluency. I am not practicing for correctness. मैं फ्लुएंट बनने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं, तो मुझे बिल्कुल स्टॉप मत करना. एंड द मोर you speak wrong, you speak right, it really doesn't matter. If you speak in English, you will be fluent in few days. Guys, this is not what I have learned. This is what is my own journey, how I have become an English communicator. Not only a communicator, now I am a coach and I'm helping people to speak English. Do you really want to know what are the tools and techniques by which you can become a fluent speaker, a correct speaker, an impressive speaker? If your answer is yes, and if you really want to learn from me, then join my 7 days workshop. Yes, join my 7 days workshop only at 199. जी हाँ दोस्तों, सिर्फ 199 रुपए से आप इस वर्कशॉप को ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. 199. 7 days एक्सटेंसिव वर्कशॉप. ये 7 दिन में आप अपने को बदलते हुए देखोगे. यू विल फील, यस आई एम इम्प्रूविंग. I am improving. You will see that your confidence level will grow and, so much. Do you really want to get this experience? If your answer is yes, go to the description. There is a payment link. Go to that payment link, make the payment of 199, plus there will be some service tax, and then you will be the part of our 7 days workshop. Guys, our lead seats are very much limited. If you are really, really, really interested, if you are one of the serious person, then please go to the link and book your seat. Thank you very much. Till then, we'll meet you.